Hi, my name is Angel. I'm from Wolfeye.de, and in this three video series, I would like to talk about what, in my opinion and my view, is the most effective and the best method that you, as a business owner and entrepreneur, can do to track your employees in your company. So, let's start. This is the first of three parts, the first of three videos that I'm gonna make. And in this first part, I will present you the software and what you must take into account when you download and install the software. In the second part, I will show you how to set up the software and to monitor your employees. And in the last part, I will show you the tricks uh, to um, to set up as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, this software correctly, because it will allow you a lot of opportunities. So let's get started. So the most effective method that you um, to track your employees is that you use a software that will allow you to see for all and each of your employees' computers the live computer screen as if you were sitting in front of it by yourself, first thing. Second, but at the same time, also will allow you to see a dashboard where you see for all your computers in your company the live screen. So to speak, a I will show you here a dashboard that looks like this. You see here that looks like this, a dashboard that will show you for each of your employees' computer the live computer screen, so that you have always an eye on them, what they are doing. And in case something strange is going on one of these computers, you could go into the computer to see the live screen there, but um, on a greater size, on a greater window. Basically, that's it. And the software that will allow you that is Wolfeye Remote Screen, the software that you can download from our website, wolfeye.de. Um, wolfeye.de, you can go to our website and load the software for free within a trial period. So I will demonstrate it how to do it. And in this first part, I show you the most important things that you must know to download and install it. That's it, what you will learn in this video. And basically, the most important thing is that you select the correct folder, because it is important that you select a folder where all users have access to, so that you can run it from all users, and also a folder where you do not need administration privileges. So under users, public, for example, public documents, but you can use any of these public documents. And I have already here a folder where I have installed the software. It's called kernel already. So you create this folder. Let me go. You create this folder. You can name it like you want it. Yeah, I named it here WFLS. You could name it Wolfeye. You could name it W update. I don't know, whatever you want, and create the folder, go into the folder and copy the link to that folder, because the next step is that we go to your antivirus programs, wait, here, you go to antivirus, virus and threat protection, go to the settings, virus and threat protection settings, scroll down